Welcome to my tent.
Wow. I got books. This Lego.
AJ, can I come in?
Yes.
Wow.
Welcome to my tent. Yes.
Wow. What do you have here in your tent?
Flags, globe, our chick fan or solar fan, a picture, a play set, books, calculator, snacks, drink, and also a bed.
What are you having today, Di?
Huh?
You're having your camping?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, we are camping today in the forest.
In the forest?
Yes.
Mm.
So, if you want a snack, here it is. Taste the races, skywakes, also with marshmallows. The drink walk. Also, if some monsters come, we'll have a guard that is sleeping right there.
Oh, you have a guard. Asa may name mong guard?
It's named Bully.
Hmm?
It's named Bully.
Ah, si Bully. Bully?
Bully
Ah, bulik? Anong bulik?
is always bored
Mm.
and lick.
Like, ay, tawon. Not naman namon, Dugi. Not naman namon guard. Na-sleep na yung tawon na mong guard. Na-sleep na namon guard. Uy, tawon. Idaman yung tawon. Idaman, dago yung tawon na mong guard. Ha?
But this is sign here.
Nandaman ka, guard.
There's a sign in here. But there's a sign in here.
Na-sign in?
Here.
Okay. Want to say hi na and see you next time sa mga watching YouTubers.
Yes. And thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Oh, it's our second day for our camping and it's raining outside. It's raining.
Hitting our tent.
Hitting our tent.
Hey, Ma. That's a leak.
Huh?
That's a leak. Yay! Here I come! Go. Everything is leaking out. What is it, Ma? What is it, Ma? Oh, okay. Hi, this. Who's this? Who's this? Box. What the heck? Is there a big butt cheek outside? Everything is falling. It's down. I gotta go outside.
I want to go outside.
Yeah. Strong rain can handle big rain.
Marshmallow.
Ma. A strong rainstorm can basa our tent.
Yeah, di siya pwede din. Strong rainstorm.
I do, but
Pwede rin. Okay ra siya din nga side.
it's what this.
Wet ko siya.
Yeah, okay. Let me see in the window what
Ay na ay kuan. Carton. Close to lang. Nala na
is it the video so on?
Yeah.
Bahay may magkakalayo, may nagkokotohan sa hagdan at may pusang bibi. What has happened to the other half of Thomas? It turned to a volcano as let me. It tastes like pancake. Hey Mom, a spread in the inside. Yeah. No. Oh, I got a bird.
Fish.
This is how you off electric fan. Look, see Ma, I can off this or what?
Hmm?
Radang.
Na.
Okay, sila.
Na. Katong sa iyang solar god katong para sa tutong dira bagi butang.
We still have these marshmallows
Yeah.
and we'll cook it